Did you know that anyone in our team can show you any home that's currently for sale, even if it's not our own listing? Yes, we can actually show you any home. And what we are doing today is actually a video inside a home for a client that lives out of town. So we are giving her an idea of what the home is like and the feeling you get inside. But one more thing, just like when you marry someone, you marry the entire family many times. When you buy a home, you end up buying a whole neighborhood. So we are going to be giving the potential buyer a glimpse of this neighborhood that she is interested in, and we'll go from there. So just wanted to let you know that you can reach out to us to look at any properties at 416-236-1871. Thanks for watching.